What's your question?
My question is about workman's comp. My husband was injured and busted his shoulder at work, and it's been like 2.5 years, I think. How long? The company offered him a settlement, and it wasn't enough. And not knowing what the injury was going to turn into, he did not take that. He has not heard back from them. How long would it take for? I mean, how long should he wait? What should he do next?
Okay, good question.
Important question.
Yeah. In a workers' compensation case, you have 2 years from the date of the accident or 2 years from the last compensation payment before the statute of limitations runs. So you're looking at 2 different time periods right there. If you're concerned, your husband's concerned about his rights and deadlines, he needs to consult with an attorney right away.
Okay.
David, I think she said 2.5 years. Is that, I believe, what I heard her say? So she really needs to take a look at that quickly.
Absolutely.
In general, what is for viewers that are watching, what is the procedure that folks should go through if they're hurt on the job? Do they immediately go seek medical attention? Is that what is obviously recommended? And then keep those records and then go back to maybe their HR department and file something? How does that work?
Following an on-the-job accident, the injured worker needs to report that to his or her supervisor immediately.
Okay.
That's the first and most important step in the process, and then they will be directed to the company doctor for medical treatment.
I was going to ask you, can you choose your doctor, or does the company choose the doctor for you?
You can choose your own doctor, but at that point you're going outside workers' compensation. Generally, if you want to have a workers' compensation claim, you need to go see the doctor that the company offers.
What if you want a second opinion, say?
You would be entitled to a second opinion. It's called a panel of 4, and the company will provide 4 doctors on a panel, and the injured worker gets to select one doctor, and that doctor becomes the new authorized treating physician.
Okay.
David, you mentioned the first report of injury, which is incredibly important. Explain to everybody what that means, and what if you're injured, say on a Monday, but you wake up Tuesday morning and you can't get out of bed because your back's bothering.
Good point.
Again, the default position is you need to report that immediately to the supervisor or human resources department. Have them complete a first report of injury that documents when you were injured, where you were injured, what body parts were injured, and that way there's a record maintained.